To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 1974 Pontiac LeMans Grand Coupe, and it's a beauty. Beautiful blue with the white buckets interior, and the trunk is in fantastic original condition. This is just a solid original car. All of the history of the car is here. I've got books, Fisher body and service manuals, and the original build sheet is here. The bill for there's the build sheet there. So let's see what else we've got here. We've got the vehicle description, the factory warranty. These are the pictures of the front fenders being stripped to metal and redone and put back on. So you can see that there was no issues with them other than a little bit of odd paint issues, so that's been done. This is the work that's been completed to the vehicle, engine work and the fenders, paint, etc. And then there's also a bill here for the brand new wheels and tires right there, Cal wheels, so they're all done. That was another $1,300, no, $1,780. It's got a stainless steel exhaust, new wheels and tires, edlbrock manifold, Holly carburetor, distributor, and a power brake booster. So all of the documents are with the vehicle. Everything's right there. The original spare tire, all this little bits and pieces of the original factory stickers are there. So the car is in great shape for its age, for sure. 1974 Grand Sport Coupe. Beautiful. Those are good looking wheels and tires, aren't they? Matching the original style. The original wheels and tires are with it, by the way. The interior is in great shape, as you can see. The buckets and console, it was again rust proofed and had a lifetime guarantee. So he was able to get the front fenders done, so that's cool. And ashtrays, imagine that. So we'll close the door. This one's got the window louvers in the back, which was part of that Grand Coupe package, the Sport Coupe. And nice, super looking car. Here's your engine, which has been tidied up, redone, new manifold, new rockers. There are chrome rocker covers for the back if you want to change them. They're in the trunk. Otherwise, it's just a really nice, solid, original car. Just fabulous. So when I close this hood, it takes a fair bit of work, and they're heavy. Wow, big, heavy hoods. So there's a little fading in that front bumper, but that could easily be touched up or left alone, whichever you prefer. So wheels again and tires are awesome. So it goes down the road really nice. Drives beautiful. The brakes are power now. The exhaust is stainless. So it could be just a great daily driver, as you can see. Nice looking ride. So let's climb in. We'll fire this one up. The radio works. The gas gauge works. The heat works. Everything's good. Wipers work. And 69,712 original miles. And we have that from the original owner. We have a statement from the estate of where the car came from. So in here you got a little bit of console area there. You've got a nice glove box up here with a bunch of stuff in there as well. And here we go, we'll fire it up. Starts right up every time, no problems, no issues, good running car. Oh, let me kick that down. There we go. Nice. Big heavy doors, big heavy car. Toronto car. Sounds good. Looks good. Yeah, so there you have it, folks. That's a 1974 Pontiac LeMans Sport Coupe. Brand new wheels and tires, a lot of new stuff on it. It's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I look forward to seeing you real soon.